Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. So these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Scorpios, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards. We have Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Knight of Cups in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Scorpios, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You have achieved certain goals for yourself and you're happy for the way things are today, guys. Happy with your situation. You are just enjoying the success. So some kind of a completion you are enjoying today, guys. So it may be in your work, you have completed some projects and you're seeing the positive returns. You are happy for it. Happy for the way things have gone. Or it may be in your relationship. You are happy that you know the truth. Some kind of relief today, maybe because you have a clear understanding of what is happening in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, this person you love, or it may be in your work situation, there is someone who is trying to hide something from you, trick you into some kind of a situation. So it may be totally unexpected, so you never saw this coming from this person. So you are worried for that, maybe, guys. But you see some kind of a very abnormal behavior with this person. So they are trying to involve you in some kind of a fraudulent activity or trying to trick you into some situation, some difficult situation. But you can see it through. You know who it is and you see through their deception. So maybe for some of you, you are steering away from this person and you are avoiding some kind of bad situation, Scorpios. And I also see opportunities reaching you, guys. It may be in your career, some new projects or some new offers, maybe a job offer with lucrative returns, something good, something positive. Or it may be in this relationship. If you are already in a connection, you see this relationship changing, maybe to something positive. Maybe you are stepping up into this connection with a deeper commitment for some of you, or for some of you, if you are open to a new relationship, you may see someone interested coming towards you, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have King of Pentacles in reverse. So in your relationship, guys, maybe this person you are in relationship with, maybe their intentions may not be true, guys. Maybe they are trying to use you in some ways, maybe to benefit themselves. So you need to be a little careful if you do not know them, if you do not have that total trust on this person. You have to be really careful. or if you are new to this person, you have to be careful, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career. So we were speaking of deception, maybe that may be the case here, guys. So they are here with you maybe to make use of you in some ways, and it may not be true love. So that is the reason we have this card here for your relationship, guys. And for your career, maybe you are rushing into something without thought. Maybe you should take time and think before you make some important decisions in your career situation, guys, Scorpios. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is, I'll leave it here, guys. Cherish innocence. So in your situation, guys, maybe your circumstances do not permit you to be playful and cheerful. Maybe there are huge burdens on your shoulders, a lot of things on your mind, but this angel card, the angel's guidance is that for you all today is to find that inner child, have curious eyes in your situation, be playful, have fun, and allow yourself to see things differently without fear, and have that wonder and curiosity in your vision, guys. And do not take things too seriously, just have fun, laugh around, be childlike with wonder and joy, and allow yourself to experience simple things which will give you joy and happiness. Just playing around, making fun, maybe, guys, just being like a child, maybe simply going out, enjoying your day. That is going to change the way things are in your situation. It is going to make you light-hearted, and you will feel a great relieved from your burdens and all that stress, anxiety you are experiencing today, and allow yourself to laugh, be happy. So happiness attracts more happiness, guys. You should not forget that. So when you are happy, no matter what your situation is, you are going to see that happiness unfolding in your situation also, guys. So you are going to enjoy more happiness today because of this cheerful attitude you have in your life, in your situation today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So this is the second card for you all, guys, for those who chose this card. It is Puss in Boots, and it means wit. So in our circumstances today, in our situation, you need to use your skills and talents, your wit and your shrewdness today in your situation, cleverness. So it just means that there are blessings in your situation. Maybe you have received some kind of a blessing. You may not see it as a blessing, but it is. And when you put that to the best use, when you use your skills and talents to the optimum, you are going to see changes and great success in your situation. So you are going to use your witty side, that genius side, that tricking mind to achieve certain things. Do not wait for opportunities to come to you, but you need to go forward, move forward, and grab those opportunities, whatever you want to achieve, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a very clever friend with you. So if you have someone like that in your situation and they are suggesting you certain things, you must listen to them, guys. Maybe in this relationship, they are here giving you counsel or suggestions regarding certain things. You must listen to them, and you are going to see success if you are able to optimize each and every opportunity you have in your life today. Maybe in this relationship, by being really clever, you are going to achieve what you want in this relationship, maybe with this person, and you have what you need within yourself. So you need not look for something outside. So you just need to be really wise to use your talents and skills at the right time, at that right opportunity. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship requiring your skills and talents and your that witty side to come into action today, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.